So I'm using this pen to waterproof the cable itself. First of all, I've taken out the inners and cutting it to the right size that I need, as you can see. Now I'm using this piece. I'll slide it onto that cable. When I've done that, I'll then cut the wire so I can get the braid out, cut that the foil off. Now I'm going to twist that and cut off the inner part of the insulation to reveal the thin copper core. And I'm doing the other one now. Now bear in mind, this is a 4.7mm cable, not 7mm cable. So it's thin. It's standard satellite cable there that I'm using. So I'll just put a cover on so there's no connection between between the middle and the braid itself. Let's just trim it up, push on the cover. Now that I got from the original outer insulation. I'm just going to join them together like so. Make sure it's reasonably tight so it's a good connection, and then very carefully push the cover over, or the insulation over, and now you need to join the braid together like so. It should be okay by pushing on the Bic pen. That should hold it all in place, so it will make a good contact. Now this is so that if you need it outside, at least it will stop the water from getting inside, and that's purely just to hold it in place, really, to make sure that it doesn't fall off. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Could you please share, like and subscribe? It will help my channel. Again, thank you very much for watching.